IBISWorld supports the audit process by providing instant access to credible and independent industry research, which is invaluable in the planning and risk assessment and the compilation of the management letter stages of an audit. When writing the industry piece of an audit plan, our industry analysis not only saves 2 to 4 hours of research time, but also contributes to a better understanding of the client's industry, independent of the client, leading to a better and more effective audit. With analysis on hundreds of industries, you'll have the most detailed coverage of the economy at a granular industry level. In this video, we'll be discussing how IBISWorld's research and analysis help auditors and which key report types and report sections are most relevant to the industry piece of an audit plan. Typically, there are 3 stages to an audit: planning and risk assessment, substantive procedures, and the management letter. IBISWorld offers significant value in planning and risk assessment and management letter compilation. Our data makes the planning and risk assessment stage easier for auditors by highlighting potential weak points in the industry and business environment. Additionally, IBISWorld's independent insight delivers the industry information important for risk assessment required by the statements on auditing standards. Used in conjunction with your client's own operational risk and financial risk, our information provides a unique insight on how the company operates compared with the industry as a whole. More risk and changing trends within the industry indicates a more thorough analysis of the industry should be included in the audit plan. IBISWorld can make substantive procedures more efficient and effective. When compiling the management letter, IBISWorld highlights the industry factors to consider when assessing a going concern opinion, included in this letter to those in governance. Our information can be used to help form a going concern opinion. Is your client planning effectively for future risk? And how is the performance benchmarked against similar operators? IBISWorld's 3 report types are especially advantageous for your role as an auditor: the industry report, iExpert summary, and risk rating report. Within our Industry at a Glance chapter, you'll see a series of industry levels and trends. These allow you to quickly determine what structural factors are impacting your client's business. When in audit planning, our industry structure checklist helps identify industry levels and trends to further examine in the audit process. You can click through to find further analysis to identify potential risk or opportunities from changing trends. Within the Industry Performance chapter, in the top toolbar, you'll find a section called Key External Drivers. These variables are the economic factors beyond the control of an organization that could be a threat to your client or prospect. This information is particularly useful in your role as an audit and assurance professional because it helps you better understand the client and its operating environment. Within the Competitive Landscape chapter, you'll find the Cost Structure Benchmark section, which provides a breakdown of average operating costs for the industry and the sector in which it operates. This information helps you benchmark your client against the industry to determine whether or not it is spending too much or not enough, and how its profit compares to its peers. Another important chapter is the Key Statistics chapter, located on the last chapter in the toolbar. Here you'll find a snapshot of the industry in the form of numerical data. The numbers provide the basis for analysis throughout the report. The tables found within this section, as well as other report tables found within the report, can be quickly exported into Excel for easy use and further analysis. This information is extremely valuable for an auditor because it makes benchmarking and appraisals easier and more effective with quick access to industry data, annual change, and key ratios. The iExpert Summary Report provides vital facts and figures for a client's industry in just 6 pages and condenses the key integral elements from our industry and risk ratings reports into conversation-sized paragraphs with easy-to-analyze graphics and tables, including a Q&A template covering key industry issues, threats, and opportunities. This quick snapshot is also accessible in the button toolbar and top right modules. IBISWorld's iExpert is valuable to the audit process because it helps you quickly get up to speed on a client or prospect's operating environment, reducing the time you spend gathering information. In addition to the industry reports, IBISWorld's risk rating reports are an effective tool for auditors as well. The risk rating reports are accessible in the button toolbar above a report or by the Industry Risk Ratings module in the top right corner. These reports provide a quantifiable value scoring the level of risk facing the operators within the industry by analysis of the industry structure, revenue growth, and external sensitivity factors. This information will help you identify and assess the risks facing your audit client. Along with the United States, IBISWorld offers research on United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, China, and global industries. To get started today, visit www.ibisworld.com. Thank you.